Hey everybody, and welcome to the Broudy Sales Team YouTube channel. My name is Tom Rinaldi. I'm one of the outside sales and applications guys here.
I'm Eddie Perry. I do inside sales.
That was much better.
Is that better?
Well,
All right,
much
cool.
better. So today we're going to do another quick hitter on product from a sales perspective, also an applications perspective, an important thing to note. So we're going to run through the current lineup of Honeywell Wall Modules. Honeywell ZO Wall Modules is what they're called. They communicate via Silk Bus, which we all know and love. So in the past, we have had, what's that guy?
This is a TR42.
So we've had the TR4 series, which would be the TR40 and the TR42. That's with and without display.
Mm-hmm.
And then each of those can be temp only, temp and humidity, temp and CO2, temp, humidity and CO2. So all of those different iterations. Then we moved on. We had the TR71s, also with temp or temp and humidity. TR75s, same ordeal. And then the TR100s. So you can see that we're at how many SKUs? 20 SKUs at this point?
Getting up there.
20, 25
We're getting
SKUs.
up there for sure.
And it can be confusing as to which one goes with what or which one you would want to pick for what application and whatnot. So a lot of those are gone now, and we have slimmed down the lineup, but I think improved the lineup.
Yeah, for sure.
So when we are talking Silk Bus ZO wall modules to work on a VAV or rooftop, whatever it is, we're down to really two, say, series, I would say.
Yeah.
We have the TR42, temp only. All the other TR42s have been discontinued.
Correct.
So you don't have to worry about the TR42 humidity, the TR42 CO2, and the TR42 HCO2. Don't have to worry about those. Those are discontinued. So the temp only one is the only one left. This is what you're typically going to use on a VAV.
Yeah.
So pair it up with an optimizer VAV controller via those two wires, and you have the ability to change set point right there on the wall.
Yep.
Temp only. If you need more than temp only, or if you need more access to, say, the program or alarms and stuff like that, you're going to go to the newest one, the TR100. TR100 replaces TR7s, all of them, and the TR120. He comes in temp only, temp and humidity, and temp, humidity, and CO2. So 3 options on the TR100.
Yes.
And again, he's going to replace the 7 series and the 120s. He'll have access to the program, access to alarms, access to schedule, all of that. It is touchscreen, all still over that 2-wire bus. Cool thing with the new one, it can be Silk Bus or it can be BACnet or Modbus. So if you want to use this on, say, an Optimizer Advanced, you can use it via BACnet. You just have to power it externally, whereas Silk is powered over the 2 wires.
Correct. Yeah.
So typically this is going to be used on rooftops, air handlers, boilers, stuff like that. Maybe the unitary optimizers. This guy's going to be used on the VAVs. So we have
Just temp.
Just temp. We have a lot less SKUs now, which is good. TR42, temp only. TR100, you can get it temp only, temp and humidity, and CO2.
Yep.
And that is your lineup of Silk wall modules as of right now. We are big fans of the new 100. And going forward, you're going to have a lot easier decision on which ones to use.
Yeah.
Any parting thoughts?
I like the way this one looks.
Yeah, it looks very similar to the TC500, TC300 BACnet thermostats from Honeywell. That's pretty cool because if you have a building that has a mix of everything, nice unified look on the wall.
Yeah, I like touch screens.
Yeah, we're big fans of this one. We just learned yesterday, put some text on the screen. So you put your company's text on the screen, something like that.
I did not know that.
You could put the Honeywell logo on the screen. You can do some fun stuff with this.
Okay, that's cool.
So very useful new wall module from Honeywell.
Yeah.
So TR42, typically VAVs, TR100, and all the different part numbers that go with that. Typically, you're going to use it on rooftops, stuff like that. But you could use it on VAV if you wanted, or if you needed, say, humidity.
Yeah.
Cool.
All right, cool.
Alrighty. Hope that helped. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you.